My name is Nandita Pandey. I am from class 5 till. In today's video, I am going to be showing how to make a lemonade. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to take a glass of water and some sugar. So I am just going to add some sugar into the water and then stir it. Now let's add some lemon juice. Do remember, don't add the lemon juice before adding the sugar because the gap between oxygen and hydrogen molecules in the water will be filled by the citric acid of the lemon. Due to that, the mixing process of the sugar will take more time. Our lemonade is almost done. Do remember that don't add cold water or ice cubes before adding the sugar because as the temperature of the water decreases, the mixing process of the sugar also decreases. So if you want the water to be a little cold, you can add some ice cubes in the water. And now you can enjoy your lemonade. Have a nice day. Thank you.